So at the City of Greenville, we have a number of efficiency challenges. We have quite a bit of growth in the southern sector of town, and we needed to produce not only more volume, but more pressure. And we had to be very selective as to where we put any potential solution. We needed something that we could drop in place in a known spot with a limited size that we could plug and pump, plug and play, run it as is.
So during the design process as well as the submittal process, working with the Grundfos Engineered Systems was very straightforward. They were able to provide us recommendations that were very useful and that were actually incorporated into the design.
They had the expertise, they had the electrical engineers, they had the technicians, and they had the factory that was big enough to build what we needed.
We were able to cut approximately 3 months off of the construction time by having the Grundfos Engineered Systems prefabricate a pump station for us to deliver the necessary water pressure.
We work very collaboratively trying to get the right products out of the entire pump arsenal of Grundfos pumps to best fit these hydraulic conditions and the site conditions that we ran into. Grundfos is one of the only pump manufacturers that actually has its own packaging and fabrication group. We are not outsourcing anything during the design phase, so we have total control.
One of the major benefits of a Grundfos Engineered Systems package is that the system is fully tested. So you know the pumps work with the piping, and the pumps work with the controls, and everything's guaranteed to work. As it eliminates a lot of the variability you get in a traditional construction package.
My experience has been that if a company has honesty and integrity, they will be efficient as well. And that was the main thing we needed. So in reviewing different vendors and different vendors' products that we would consider for this project, they came out on top every time.